What is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we are going to be doing a review on the Ijoy foot and calf massager. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so what we have here is a foot and calf massager, and I'm going to be honest with you, I have never thought about buying one of these things. I just happened to sit in a chair at a store that had one of these things just out as an example or a model, and I said, hey, you know what, let me stick my foot in this thing and see how it works out. It was incredible. All right, so this particular model is not being made anymore, but you'll see a link below. Same company, it's making a more advanced model, but you know, this one is going to give you a good idea of what it does, right? So again, this is by Ijoy, and it's foot and calf massager, and it has the controls right up top. Right now, this is on the constant massage mode. Okay, so you'll see that there are these cushions right here on both sides, on the top and the bottom, and you can't really see it here, but as it opens up, there is a roller right here. There is one roller on each side. There's one roller on each side, and in the back there is a little platform with bumps on it that, you know, is for your heel. And I'm telling you right now that if you are an athlete who runs a lot, or if you work standing up, walking around, all that kind of stuff, you're on your feet all the time, you need to get yourself one of these things. Originally, this model was like $180 or $200 or something like that. And this older model was sitting out there, and it was on clearance for 75 bucks. I said, you know what? I'm gonna snatch it up. And I picked it up and I said, holy crap, this is the best thing I've ever bought for my feet. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, when I first sat in it, I thought my foot was gonna get caught in this thing, right? Because it looks pretty narrow. But, you know, if you feel like that's happening, you might wanna go ahead and wear shorts or something, make it a little less, make your legs a little less wide, but really your foot and your calf is not going to get stuck. This here's the on-off button, so I'm going to hit that. So that kind of stops it, right? So it stops it. This is the constant button. This is two different programs. If I hit this, you'll see that it'll start moving, and then it comes to a point where it's going to stop. And it's going to kind of like, I guess, acupressure, hold it at certain points. It'll stop for a second, and then it'll go, and it'll stop, and then it'll go. So here's another one. If you hit this button again, it's going to give you the second program, and you'll see how that moves. It looks the same, but I'm telling you, when your leg is in it, it does not feel the same. So the model that you see, I have a link down below that it'll send you to a more advanced product from Ijoy. That particular one has a stand that this one does not. It kind of like lets it lean back. This one doesn't have that. Oh, see right now? So it's kind of holding, and then it's squeezing for a second, so it'll hold in certain positions and squeeze. See that? It's pretty cool. So in just a second, I'm going to jump in here and show you what it looks like with a leg actually inside this thing. Anyway, so that particular product in the link below has the stand. It has a couple other features that this one does not. So the more advanced ones from Ijoy, you'll see, will actually have more than one roller on the bottom. This one has just one roller. I'm not sure about the one in the link below, but the one below also has the ability to just do one leg at a time. This one does both legs at one time. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to jump in there, stick my leg in there, and you will see what it looks like when it's running. Okay, so right now I turned it off, and I'm going to jump in here. You just stick your legs in, and then you pick a program. I'm actually going to just touch one of the controls up top, and this is the constant massage, and you'll see how it works. Like, you can't really see under my foot, but the roller is going up and down the bottom, and it's squeezing my calves right here. And if you need to, you can move your foot out a little bit, and you'll get a little more pressure. So you can kind of move your legs around to get better pressure in different places and all that kind of stuff. So I'm telling you, if you want to get this for a gift, get it for a gift, get it for yourself. If you're an athlete, you need this, all right? If you are a nurse, you need this. You're a doctor, you need to get this. Anytime you're walking around all day, standing all day long, you need to get one of these things, all right? So anyway, so that's it. I highly recommend it. Like I said, this is an older model, so they don't make this one anymore. You can go ahead and check out the one down below. It's awesome. I would spend $200. I would actually spend $300 on it. But I got lucky, picked this one up on clearance. Anyway, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and post it down below. Other than that, have yourself a great day.